Woke up this morning, sun was shining right in my eyes. I'm from a little town, you probably just drive right on by. Yeah, I was born and raised, small town USA, where the corn grows tall and the kids go outside and play. But I heard a different drummer, I heard a different kind of call. Had to stand up tall and answer, I had to go give it my all. Accepted that call, Lord, for my brothers in all. Traded in my pickup truck for government laws. Yeah, I accepted that call to fight for the red, white, and blue. Left my girl standing on the pole, said, honey, I love you. Packed my bag with nothing but the pride inside my chest. Gonna go and earn that Eagle Globe and ain't gonna put myself to the test. They sent me down to Paris Island. Them children struck the scream right in my face, made me run till I thought my heart would leave that old weary place. Yeah, they took a boy and tore him right apart. Then they built him back up stronger, gave him a brand new start. They turned me into a United States Marine, forged in fire and pain, washed away the civilian dirt in the South Carolina rain. They taught me simplify, always faithful and to never quit. So we'd rather die than to give up on a fight. Yeah, simplify, baby, it's tattooed on my soul. None desisters, none exteriors, never give up, never surrender. Now I'm sitting here at Camp Guy with the humidity and the heat, taking it day by day, trying to stand on my own 2 feet. You're sitting here at Camp Geiger with the sand fleas and the flies, twiddling my thumbs and waiting, looking up at empty skies. Got this fire in my belly, got this knowledge in my head. Remember every lesson, every single word they said. Yeah, this fire's burning deep inside, I'm ready for that test. Wanna be the Marine my country needs, better than all the rest. Just waiting on my orders, Lord, I'm waiting for my chance. The Camp Geiger waiting blues, they're slow and they alone. Yeah, the Camp Geiger waiting blues, just humming this old song. Waiting to be lethal, waiting to be strong. Hoorah, just waiting all day long. Everybody stand up for the Marines hymn. I'd like to thank you for coming out tonight. Y'all make me so good, I feel special. I said you make me feel like I'm special. Thank you. From the halls of Montezuma to the shores of Tripoli, we fight our country's battles in the air, on land and sea. First to fight for right and freedom, and to keep our honor clean. We are proud to claim the title of United States Marine. Our flags unfurled to every breeze, from dawn to setting sun. We have fought in every climbing place where we could take a gun. In the snow of far-off northern lands and in sunny tropic scenes, you will find us always on the job. The United States Marines, here's health to you and to our goal, which we are proud to serve. In many a strife we fought for life and never lost our nerve. If the Army and the Navy ever look on heaven's scenes, they will find the streets are guarded by United States Marines.